Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And check out my forum at computersluggish.com. In today's video, I will be showing you how to enable a screensaver in Windows 10. To start off with, first we need to right click on our desktop and click on Personalize. You now need to click on Lock Screen on the left hand side, and we now need to scroll down and then click on Screensaver Settings. We now need to click on this little drop down menu box here that says None underneath Screensaver, and you now have a few different screensavers we can choose from. We can go ahead and choose Bubbles, for example, and then hit Apply. And this will then show Bubbles, as you can see in the preview window on my screen, in 1 minute time. You can change this time of when you want the screensaver to be displayed. For example, I could change it to 20 minutes and then press apply, and now that screensaver won't show until I've been idle for 20 minutes. You can also tick this box here to make it resume on the logon screen, and then you will have to type in your password to sign back into Windows 10, or if you don't have a password, then just select your user and log on. We can also click on text, and we can also add our own text for the screensaver. For example, I can click on settings and then change this to computer sluggish and then hit OK, and that will be shown when the screensaver shows up. And that is it for screensavers. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social media channels and forum.